Hello everyone, I'm Ellen from Are We There Yet, a channel for parents that want to explore the world with their kids. We just spent a month in Sri Lanka driving these two tuk-tuks. The kids thought it was amazing. If that's something interesting for you, check it out. When Dries and I went backpacking in India back in 2009, we were so charmed by these compact vehicles. We even said to each other it would be so cool to drive one ourselves. We were thrilled when we found out this is actually possible in Sri Lanka. I remember calling my dad to tell the news and being so excited when we finally booked. We made reservations through the website of tuktukrental.com and that was very easy. Afterwards, we had to send our international driver's license and things were ready when we arrived. We had to take a driver's lesson of about 2 hours and get approved to drive on the road independently. To me, this was just as nerve-wracking as my car license, but Dries drove as he was doing it all his life. Now first, a tour of the tuk-tuk. You have a seat for a driver in the front, and in the back there's room for 3 people. Now for our family of 6, we had 2 tuk-tuks, and I think this was ideal for us and our backpacks. In the front you have 2 lockers, a phone holder and a place to store a water bottle. Underneath the driver's seat there's storage room as well. In the back there's lots of room for luggage, and on the outside you can reach the engine and fill up the tank. I know I was really curious on how driving a tuk-tuk works, and I assume you are too, so let me show you how to get started. First, put the key in ignition and turn it twice. Make sure you are in neutral. Now, hold on to the clutch and go into first gear. Let go of the brake, and while you slowly release the clutch, you slowly give a little bit of gas and off you go. After gaining some speed, you can go into second and third gear. Driving the tuk-tuks needs some time getting used to. I felt totally relaxed after about day 3. Our teen really wanted to try, and we gave her a few minutes on a private parking lot and she learned in 15 minutes. Now, if she can do it, why wouldn't you? And then it's time to start enjoying Sri Lanka on the road. Driving tuk-tuks gave us so much freedom. We were able to stop whenever we wanted to, eat at cheap and local restaurants, meet amazing people and see the country at our own pace. I want to end this video with a big shout out to tuktukrental.com. They made our experience so easy and so relaxed. They took care of all the paperwork and made sure we knew everything we needed to know about the tuk-tuks before we left. Once on the road, you can text them and ask for advice or tips on where to go. If you are ever in trouble, they can arrange everything. We broke our side mirror, for example, and just gave our location. After about 15 minutes, we got word back and an address to go and pick up a new one. They even negotiated on the price and everything. All of this made us feel safe and well supported on the road. But what I truly love about this company is the fact that they don't own the tuk-tuks but rent them from locals. So, booking through this company is giving back to a country that can really use it right now. So, if you want to go and explore Sri Lanka by tuk-tuk yourself, don't hesitate and book your trip today. With our Are We There Yet code, you can even get a fun discount. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Bye!